Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important things for lifters, creatine. Usually, when we think about creatine, we think about supplements. However, did you know that there are natural foods that can also help with the creatine content in your body? That's right, and today we're going to be talking about the top natural creatine foods for lifters. What is creatine? First, let's talk about what creatine is. Creatine is a naturally occurring nitrogenous organic acid that occurs in our bodies. It is primarily found in the muscles and helps with energy production when lifting weights. The reason lifters take supplements is to increase the amount of creatine in their bodies, which can ultimately help them lift heavier weights and improve their overall performance. The top natural creatine foods now. Let's dive into the top natural creatine foods. 1. Beef. Beef is one of the best sources of natural creatine. It is high in creatine and it's also a great source of protein, which can help with muscle building. 2. Salmon. Salmon is another great source of natural creatine. Not only is it packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, but it also contains plenty of amino acids that can help with muscle growth and recovery. 3. Herring. Herring is a small oily fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It also has a high concentration of creatine, which makes it a great addition to your diet. 4. Tuna. Tuna is another great source of natural creatine. It's high in protein and also contains healthy fats that can help with muscle growth and recovery. 5. Pork. Pork is another meat that is rich in creatine. It's also a great source of protein and B vitamins, which can help with energy production. 6. Chicken. Chicken is a great source of lean protein and also contains natural creatine. It's also relatively low in fat, which makes it a great addition to your diet. So there you have it, the top natural creatine foods for lifters. While there are certainly many benefits to taking creatine supplements, it's important to remember that there are natural sources of creatine that can be just as effective. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can improve your strength, performance, and overall health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.